Olivet team, baby. My team name team Olivet right now. Yeah, yeah. So I'm letting you know when you call me in this house, you know I'm your girlfriend. So when you call me in this house, baby, say team Olivet. Yeah, yeah. Make sure you say that. So I know my baby talking to me, alright? Coxman. Big up yourself, dreadlocks, Coxman. Coxman, ready for go bed? No. I'm ready for talk to Uno, no. Because me no wanna miss me now. Avina, me love you now. Avina, me love you now. Yes, Avina, me love you now. Avina, where are you now? Avina Williams. Avina Williams. Address the people, Avina Williams. I wanna be big fan on the big Oliver team. Yeah, to the way, the way up. The way up. Way up. You. Whoops. Whoops. I did it again. I play with your heart. Got lost in the game. Oh, baby, baby. I do it again. Got lost in the game. I don't want to become hypocrite, hypocrite, hypocrite. Some girl want to become hypocrite. Anyway, some girl can go on like say pum pum alone can't hold man. Hey, pum pum alone can't hold man dirty girl. You have to can wash, cook and clean. And your pum pum go and fit in a place. And even when that place, these motherfuckers, some of them not really good at all. No matter what you do, no matter how you look, no matter how you cook, no matter how you wash, them still go to the door, go cheat and look home man. Some of them have addiction, sex addiction. You have some man, you know. If you lay your drawers careless and he smell it, in come, you know. Yes, man. Back at Jamaica a long time ago, woman have to be careful how they used to hang out their drawers, you know. Because if you have a man in like and live next door, when you wake up a man, you don't see your drawers pan line. Your drawers gone. You come and like see your drawers take the wings after night and just fly away. For all you know, the man have your drawers that take your put on nose, put it on him pillar. I go and like say the drawers are you. Have the drawers up and down on the bed, I jerk off for the drawers and I smell the drawers. Some man sick, you know. And some of them say not sick, them sick. Them call the word freaky. Them say them freaky. And they have all kind of style. And they like all kind of thing. You have some man one time, me tell you, you know, that at that time my foot in a good condition, yeah. And me I tell her, say, boy, I saw this man, we went to this place, you know. And he was just giving away money like that. Every woman buying want to see them too. And thank God me put on a little tip on me toe with 2 little rhinestone. So they do 2 big toe of them, they look good and then they shine. And he said, whoa, I like that feet. And he was give up to $100 for your foot, you know. The man take the damn foot, them already put him toe inside the mouth. I don't know what kind of germs you have in his mouth. Why you have all kind of fungus, we go give me 2 fungus when you have pan in tongue. But in deciding one jam me big toe in his mouth, if he dry back, God knows he might bite it off like a hungry dog because you don't know where you're up to. But some of them sick, man. Some of them obsessed with some man with some big breasts, you know. And some man have some big breasts, me tell you, and some man love that. Yeah, them love that. Some of them don't worry if a woman have a body. Your body could have flat like a pot. Enough girls see a woman out the flat body and that, but her body flatty. All the man like her breast them big and her body just flat. Guess what? He love the breast. I mean, he's not a body man. He's not a body man, he's a breast man. You have breast man, and you have body man, you have foot man. You have face man, you have all kind of different kind of man. You have a body wall man too, like body wall. But you have all kind of fetish man like out there. Yes, all kind of fetish me say them like out there. You have, you know, you have some man they like dildo and them bottom. All kind of nastiness them I carry on with. But like I said, people have different fetish. I'm not here to call you out on your fetish or your FedEx or where you want to call it. You hear me? Not there for all of that. All I'm saying, people do different things. And you know why we call them fucking crazy. You want practicing all kind of nonsense. Some man say they want to have 2 woman one time. Some woman have 2 man one time. Well, one woman I do with 2 man. Fi call herself freaky. Where the hell you go? You can't even manage one. As my age and myself, I'm going to pick up the man for go lay down by my back. Fi come ride me. And 10 minutes or 20 minutes, me start ball. And my bone them start broke up in my body. And me start ball and try to throw my leg up and my leg feel like it's go broke. Me can't bother with anything thing there. Me can't live them the life there. And then they want to have 2 man. So they want for them body fi broke up. I saw them long fi live. I saw them well one dead. Some of them man them take up with 2 woman. Where you do with 2 woman one time. A 1 penis you have and a 2 hole. So you go and fi sexy 2 of them one time. One of them dey for your dick and suck you and one of them a squeeze your balls. One of them have the balls in their mouth. I lick the balls. I saw she bend down on the man crotch. While the next one have the cocky in her mouth. She long out her tongue and try to lick the balls like she thirsty for water. Like say water no fall pan hurt. No water no down here. And the place dry. And it's a desert. And like a rain start to fall. She bending with her tongue. I try suck the man. I reach the man balls like she thirsty like no rain no fall. And it was a drought upon this land. What this world is coming to? Eh? That's how people get germs. One of them want 3 man. One of them want 3. Me want 3 gal one time. Come on. Wanna taking this freakiness to the next level where to me no make no sense. You have a woman, you're satisfied with her, you love her, you respect her, you keep your body clean, you keep your body. But I don't see people getting off disease because some of them too fucking greedy. And some of them man have their nice clean woman and a nice wife a yard. Then gone out there look all kind of pussy from all kind of jing bang dirty girl. And make dirty girl come have mouth for your woman. Come make dirty girl come talk to your wife any kind of way because you're stoop level. Figure put yourself with the dirty girl, make she think she have strength. And make she think she in a class with the woman where you're there with her, your wife. Make she feel she can't come talk to the woman because she feel she in a something. You know what I mean? And some of them dirty girl, they mind real strong, man. And then tomorrow can't sick. Because they know you live a house with the man. Still they want to suck pan him balls, they want to suck pan him body. They want to suck pan him anyway. And then they sit down and wait for when he go work. Coming with a little dividends, a little check for saving their life. If you have to give them every week, give them for this, they want a year, they want a nails, they want 100, 150. And then they get it them vexed. And then they vex for a little while, you know, so them play the game. And then vex for a little while because they don't get it. But they realize they're not worth more than that and then can't get no wealth. Then they come back and I go and never vex over it. And still I ask the man feet. You know what I mean? Them low-minded bitch. Them low. And for them I call themselves freaky and all kind of freaky. Only need for freaky for Jesus Christ. Only need to stop them nastiness to not carry on a bedroom and take up dildo and pushing a man body man. Saying can't satisfy one woman to put dildo in a body hole. If a man want to take body hole, dildo in a body hole, that means saying take real dick in a body hole and we suck real dick. Because if you want cold plastic dick, you will take hot dick. And that's a sad thing when you're taking a dick as a man. Because you're a man. You're a giver. You're a dick giver. Why would you live your life like that? That is so disgusting and nasty and low. You're tasting the next man's flesh. You taste the next man's body shape in your body. Because you're nasty, because you're corrupt. Because you want to claim so you're freaky. Because you're disgusting. It's not freaky, it's nasty. It's nasty, you're nasty. Nothing freaky about that. That is nastiness. And you're very corrupted and disgusting and scornful. Imagine you walk around smelling like feces and shit all the time. Because you won't stop stucking stuff in your bottom and live home with a wife and a girlfriend and call yourself a man. How you married, I'm a respectable man. If you're with a man, you're with a man. If you're with a woman, you're with a woman. You can't be going around and sucking false dick and woman and push false dick in your mouth. How you go in a hotel room and take dick in your body wall to make a man fuck it to feel you in something. And call no man, tell no man, guess what? My wife looking at me funny, you know. I think she know that somebody put dick in my ass because she know I just walk when she should be in there. Disgusting and nasty. Get alive, Kinky Fly, get alive. God is coming, Kinky Fly, get alive. Nastiness, man. You get a woman a second with a nice woman and live your life clean. If you want to be gay to your business, that is not mine. That is not my business for gay. Because some of them man nowadays make the woman them gay. You hear me? Some of them man nowadays make woman gay because they won't stop cheat. They won't stop lying and fuckery. No one get tired sometime. But that not going to make me gay because I love my little penis. But like me said, me not love it like that. You know, me have my man. But like me said, when me married and settle on the right way, I'm comfortable in life. Me will enjoy it more. For right now, me not really enjoy to the max like that because it's just a part of life. You know what I mean? And all these freaky deaky thing. Somebody want freaky, I want to put in your butt and all that. You want somebody to shit by you? Your long you want to smell like shit? Well, if you want to smell like shit, just tell somebody say you want to smell like shit. I go tell your wife, listen, I want to smell like shit. I make sure this out a bowl of shit put on the table give in your hand. That is so disgusting and nasty. Nobody come on the freaky thing. Go seek God. Seek God, no nasty fuckers. Seek God.